Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we are making a delicious coffee smoothie.
Cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Okay guys, today you are in for a treat. This is a delicious coffee smoothie. This is something that our family loves to have. It's one of our favorite nice cream recipes. And since it's getting hot outside here, we're in the 80s now, so we're in the mood for nice cream. So the base of nice creams, of course, is frozen bananas. So if you can see behind me, we always have bananas in some stage of just barely ripe or really getting brown and spotty. So that's when you want to freeze up your bananas, is when they're getting really brown and spotty, because that's when all those natural sugars come out, and then you don't need any other kind of sweetener for your nice cream. So we like to just peel them, and we put them in chunks this size, and we just put them on a tray and stick them in the freezer. And they go fast in our house, so we're constantly rotating those bananas out. So we don't have to put them in a bag or anything like that. And a good rule of thumb for how much to make is about a banana per person. So I have about 2 cups, because this is going to be a recipe for 2. So we're going to stick our bananas in there. And then the ingredient to flavor it, this is just your own personal choice. This is just the coffee I happen to have right now. It's not a preference of mine. I'm always in the search for a great coffee. This one's okay, but we're going to use about a tablespoon and a half. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, about a tablespoon and a half. I would really prefer to use the whole bean, because I like to have those little chips of the coffee bean in there, but I just don't happen to have any right now. So if you're going to do the whole coffee bean, you could do 2 tablespoons too. Or if you don't like as strong of a coffee flavor, just use 1 tablespoon. It's completely up to you. Okay, and then a good glob of peanut butter. It's about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half. And that's completely up to you too. You could use almond butter, cashew butter. We just happen to love peanut butter, and we always have it on hand. And then about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to start with a 1 cup of almond milk. And this is an unsweetened almond milk, because the sweetness comes from the banana. You don't need any of that extra sweetener in there. And according to your blender and what it can handle, you may have to put a little bit more almond milk in there to get it to move. And you could use any plant milk of your choice. Could be soy milk, coconut milk, whatever you have on hand. We just usually have almond milk. So, just gonna blend it up. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share with you some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is a crowd-funded show, which means our content is made possible by the generous patronage of our paid membership community, who share our common goal to teach the world how to easily and permanently switch to a plant-based diet. My husband and I create these free weekly cooking shows to share all of the delicious recipes that we use every day in our own family kitchen. Our recipes are now used by hundreds of thousands of viewers every month from all over the world. Our paid memberships offer additional perks, like access to our ebooks and in-depth courses, including our 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy course, where we offer a step-by-step guide to making the switch to a fully plant-based diet. With meal plans, shopping guides, daily learning materials, and over 65 of our favorite recipes. If you love our content and find it's helping you to live your best plant-based life, please join us on our mission to share this life-changing message with the world and become a supporting member today by following the link in the description. It is the continued growth of our supporting member community that makes this show possible. Okay, let's get back to the show. Okay, there we go. Check that out. All right, I'm gonna grab a cup and I'll meet you at the table. Okay, it's on to our favorite part of the show, the tasting, or my favorite anyway. Oh my gosh. This is so good. You guys have to try it. So be sure to like this video, and I'll see you next time.